I think of a meaningful life in two ways. The first is through the lens of attachment. How do you actually form relationships and how well do they support you in your life? And the second is through the lens of exploration. How free are you to explore the things that give you meaning, fulfillment in life? The intensive is designed to teach you how actually to form meaningful relationships and also how to explore in a way that's fulfilling.
I think the thing that's so unique about George's approach is that he's teaching techniques in the formal practice that can be applied in daily life and in relationship.
It basically taught me that I kind of had an obligation to be myself.
A lot of us have facades or walls that hide our true heart. We're afraid to show that.
We meet twice a month in a brick and mortar class. The classes are recorded, so if you miss one, you can keep up with us. And you also have twice a month mentoring sessions, so a one-on-one meeting with a meditation mentor to support you in your practice.
I've disarmed, I've become more present.
I just noticed more focus and more awareness, more knowledge, more insight.
Without meditation, it'd be like a chicken with your head cut off. But with the meditation, you're able to stop and say, wait a minute, I'm doing that thing. Why am I doing that? Why am I doing that? And then George is there to say, here's why.
Meditation can be a deeply transformative experience, but you need to have the skill at meditating in order to get that out of it. The reason that I like to have the long format for this class is that you can really develop and hone your meditation skills